Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Extension. In this video, I will show you how to use the BlockSite Chrome extension to block website and stay focused while using Google Chrome. So let's begin. So firstly go to your Google Chrome, then visit Chrome Web Store, then go to search bar and search for BlockSite. Search for it. You can download the trusty one like I am downloading this BlockSite. Click on add extension. Once the extension is installed, click on the puzzle icon and mark it as pinned. Go to new tab, then click on the extension, click on accept. Now here you will click on block sites. Open any website you want to block, like I want to block this site. Then press the block site icon. Here you will see block this site. Click on block this site. Now refresh the page. Here you will see the website will be blocked successfully. Now when opening this website, it will showing that BlockSite website will be blocked. Now unblock a website, open BlockSite settings. Here you will click on edit block list. You can just simply delete the website. Now again refresh the page. You can simply go to the new page and open the website again. Here you will see website will be unblocked successfully. And that's it. That's how to use the BlockSite Chrome extension. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy extension tutorials. Thanks for watching.